Hello everyone, today is Tuesday, July 7th. It's just a little bit after the market close. Just wanted to make a quick video here. A lot of people have asked if the Autotrader trades the micros, and indeed it does. I've got this set up trading, I believe it's 10 contracts, and scaling out at 20, 30, 40, and 50 ticks. And here's how this traded today. You can see the scale outs. Trailing stops, so it ran up to 350 and then it drew down some, and then it came back, and so again you can see here clearly how it scales out, and then it ultimately hit its goal here. At a goal of 650, and there's another trade here, and then drew down again. There are quite a number of trades here. And then finally it hit its goal here. So yeah, there was a fair amount of trades here utilizing scaling out. I just kind of wanted to show this. So indeed the Autotrader can trade the minis or the micros. Okay, the 4 Renko on this E-mini S&P on my Lilu account, I forgot to check the boxes when I turned it on, so there was no trade. So if you go here to the open, which is right about here, I'm pretty confident that it would have hit its goal today had I run it off the open based on the size of these swings. But unfortunately, I forgot to enable the Autotrader. This is another chart I've shown quite a bit in the last week. I'm also considering trading this as an automated template, and this is the one with a 100 tick target and then starts trailing by bars after that. So you can see it had a loser here and a drawdown of about 250 on that loser, and then it came back with a couple of winners here, and then finally this trade here brought it to its goal of 750. This is trading 2 contracts. Another chart that's been really impressive in my testing is this line break chart, and the way I have this set up, it catches these pretty good sized swings and it's filtered by the moving average. So for example, this trade here wouldn't have been taken, although this is pre-market, but the way it's filtered by the moving average can keep it from taking some whipsaw trades like this one here. Although it hit its goal prior to that, it got trail stopped out, but there was quite a bit ways to go here. But this has had quite a few winners in a row, and I think perhaps tomorrow I'm going to give this a try as a fully automated template. It just has these great swings here, and these go quite a distance. So the only trouble you might run into is when you get this kind of action, but hopefully the moving average filter that I have will filter these out. Okay, this is a 150 Heikin-Ashi tick chart, and this has a goal of 650, trading 2 contracts, and trailing at 40 ticks, which is only 10 points. It's not that much. So with just 2 trades, even though it was trail stopped out here, it hit its goal of 600, so it doesn't take much. And this is using the open range filter. So I just wanted to show some more charts. This is the micros from yesterday, and it did 481. This is the 500 tick from yesterday, trailing stops at 100 bars. So this is traded very strong and a really solid template to trade fully automated. This is the E-mini S&P that was the best performing template from our spreadsheet when I did the walk forward test. This is Super Renko 6 with a Super Renko 6 higher time frame. And it only has a goal of 500 with a single contract. This is that line break chart. This is from yesterday here. You can see the date up here, 7/6. And this had a higher goal here. I lowered the goal today because I was going to trade it in my Combine account, but I didn't at the last minute. I decided not to. And of course it would have hit, but this is from yesterday, and it hit its goal of $1,000. And then finally, that same Heikin-Ashi chart on the 150 Heikin-Ashi, just like today, hit its goal in 2 trades. Okay, that's it for today's video.